Friends, we have a good news today. According to a recent report, the Indian IT industry is expanding beyond the 7 key centers. The country's information technology sector is expanding beyond the present 7 major centers of Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune. At the moment, the majority of India's 5.4 million technology workers are concentrated in these 7 large cities. While big cities were the focus in the past, said Deloitte India partner Sumit Salwan, the post-pandemic era witnessed a remarkable decentralization of work across the nation. Sukanya Roy, NASSCOM head GCC and BPM, stated that as organizations around the world aggressively reconsider ways of working in order to optimize outcomes, prices, and talent, the prospect and possibility of developing alternative tech centers is becoming increasingly important. In addition, he stated that India is expected to have a skilled talent surplus by 2030. These hubs provide businesses with a compelling combination of benefits, including access to a fresh, skilled labor pool, cost-effective operations, and robust infrastructure. The report claims that IT companies are moving to 26 Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities across India. These cities include Chandigarh, Nagpur, Ahmedabad, Mangaluru, Kanpur, Thiruvananthapuram, Lucknow, Guwahati, Ranchi, Bhopal, Jaipur, Indore, Nashik, Bhubaneswar, Raipur, Nashik, Nagpur, Warangal, Visakhapatnam, Hubballi, Vijayawada, Tirupati, Mysore, Coimbatore, Vellore, Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, and Kochi. According to the report, the decentralization is a result of the fact that between 11 and 15% of tech talent is concentrated in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. In important disciplines, 60% of graduates originate from smaller cities, while 30% move to Tier 1 cities for jobs following graduation. A highly skilled workforce in cutting-edge digital technologies, with around 8 lakh people within these growing centers skilled in the latest IT fields, is what is driving this trend. Over 100,000 professionals are contributing to the expansion of these rising cities' digitally competent workforce. The research also claims that, in addition to state government support in terms of infrastructure and laws, the next wave of technological hubs will emerge from these locations with advantages including lower operating costs, better access to the talent pool, and lower attrition. According to the survey, businesses benefit from a 25 to 30% cost advantage in talent pool costs and a startling 50% lower real estate rental compared with mature hubs. Businesses like Infosys, Wipro, HCL Tech, and WNS operate in one or more of the cities that make up these new centers. The report states that as of 2022, there will be over 7,000 startups operating from developing centers in industries ranging from BPM services to deep tech. These young businesses grew by 50% between 2014 and 2018 and are projected to increase by 2.2 times by 2025. Notably, startups from Tier 2 cities in India received 13% of the investment in 2022, demonstrating that investors are now at ease searching outside of urban areas for potential unicorns. Thank you for watching this video. We value your feedback, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting updates.